Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you another brief update. This is the 1967 Volkswagen Split Window Custom Bus. In an earlier video we shared with you where we had the front disc brake conversion kit with the cross-drilled rotors and the Willwood calipers and the stainless lines. We're now working on the back. We have the lowered suspension. We have upgraded, we have a Ride Tech, I think the camera can probably pick it up. We have really nice suspension upgrade. It's the Fox Ride Tech series. So we have it installed both the front and we're installing them on the rear. And then we have the really nice rotors with calipers obviously. And then this setup you can see on the top housing with the coil. Because we're in Ontario, we want to have the safety standards. You have to have a parking brake that works. So this is an upgraded caliper that will operate with the parking brake. So we want to make sure that it can be safe for our client. You can see inside the wheel well now where everything has got the really nice black texture to it inside the tub. You can see how clean everything is looking here now. It's very subtle, but you've got your nice brushed aluminum Ride Tech housing. We've got the aluminum hub, and then you can see our Highway Flyer transmission, which has been totally rebuilt and upgraded, is painted black with all new hardware, new boots, and other than the dust, everything is looking very, very nice in this area. So our next step, we're going to continue on installing the disc brake conversion kit and calipers to the other side on the driver's rear. And then once we have that complete, we're going to run new copper nickel line, brake line from the front of the new master cylinder to both of the rear wheels and calipers. And then we'll have all four tires and wheels on, and then we'll share with you what that looks like before we take it off the hoist. So just a brief upgrade or update, 1967 Volkswagen Split Window Bus, and I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.